Negative sentences in English. Learn how to form negative sentences in English. Simple rules plus examples. Do you sometimes get confused when making negative sentences in English? Don't worry. In this lesson, you'll learn everything you need to know about how to form negative sentences in English correctly and confidently. We'll cover the basic structure, grammar rules, and give plenty of clear examples using different tenses. What is a negative sentence? A negative sentence tells us that something is not true or did not happen. We usually use not or negative words like never, nobody, nothing, etc. Basic structure of negative sentences. For most negative sentences in English, we use this formula: subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb plus object. For example, I do not like spicy food. She does not watch TV. Let's break this down by tenses. Negative sentences in different tenses. Number one, simple present tense. Structure: subject plus do or does plus not plus base form. For example, I do not eat meat. He does not speak French. They do not play football. Simple past tense. Structure: subject plus did not plus base form. For example, she did not go to school yesterday. We did not enjoy the movie. Present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus not plus ing form of the verb. For example, I am not studying now. They are not watching TV. He is not coming to the party. Past continuous tense. Structure: subject plus was were plus not plus ing form of the verb. For example, she was not working last night. We were not sleeping at 10 p.m. Present perfect tense. Structure: subject plus has, have plus not plus past. For example, I have not seen that movie. He has not finished his homework. Number 4. Negative sentences with be verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. You can directly add not after be verb. For example, I'm not ready. She is not at home. They were not happy. Negative sentences with modal verbs. For modals: can, could, will, would, should. Place not after the modal. For example, I cannot drive. She will not come today. You should not be late. Other negative words beside not, we can also use never. I have never been to London. Nobody. Nobody came to the meeting. Nothing. There's nothing in the fridge. Nowhere. He went nowhere last night. Don't use double negatives in formal English. For example, I don't know nothing. The correct sentence is I don't know anything. Conclusion. So now you know how to make negative sentences in English using different tenses and structure. Start practicing these examples and use them in daily conversation. Which type of negative sentence was new for you? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.